Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to upscale any image with Nordy. Ladies and gentlemen, you are going to jump into Nordy.ai, and what you're going to do right at the top over here, once you've signed in, is go ahead and search for Upscale. Now you can see, tap on that. Make sure that this drop-down menu, it's not on user or workflow. You need it to be on easy app. Once it's on easy app, you can go ahead and give it a second. You will now see that there are a bunch of different applications that you can run here. And what we're going to do is we are going to use this one over here. It's the 8K Ultra Upscaler. All right. And this is best for hyper realistic apps or photographs. Sorry. So what you need to do is click on the app. And over here, you will see a description. We're going to come down. After this description, you are going to literally come down where it says mini app. And right in over here, let's click on upload. We now have our image. You can see now that the image has been upscaled, and quite simply, all you have to do is hold your cursor over the image and click on it, and it will now download it. Now this is one version and this is another version. Each one of them, the image is the same. However, this one has been upscaled times 2 and this has been upscaled times 4. So whichever one it is that you want to download, go ahead, click on download, and it should start downloading just like that.